food rich in protein and omega-3 fatty acids, but also a symbol of culinary sophistication and class. With its tender meat and distinctive flavor, salmon brings a sense of elegance and luxury to every meal. Enjoy salmon, you will experience a wonderful taste from the freshness and sweetness of the meat to the characteristic aroma of the sea. The combination of tender fish meat and gentle spices accentuates the natural flavors of salmon, creating an authentic culinary experience for your palate. The launch of this large class of delicious chocolate marks an important step forward in the food industry. Created by a state-of-the-art temporary machine, this layer of chocolate is not only a delicious product, but also a symbol of innovation and creativity in food production. Each of these delicious chocolates is a true work of art, with a glossy and smooth chocolate shell, enveloping the delicious almonds inside. When sipping, you will feel a delicious and sweet taste of perfect chocolate combined with the fatty taste of almonds, creating a wonderful enjoyment experience. The use of vacuum technology helps completely remove air from inside the packaging, preventing oxidation and bacterial growth, thereby extending the preservation time and keeping the tofu fresh. Fresh at the same time, ensuring that the final product always achieves the highest quality and is safe for consumer health. Out of nowhere. When you promised yourself to quit smoking, but life has other plans. Now we know what Luffy Gatling's gun looks like. Joy and pride. Oh boy. You play a lot. Huh, right on the cross, man. Go, Nyo. Give it a lot of speed. While we all move in one direction, he goes against the flow. He doesn't miss a beat with those skilled hands. Art is created from simple tools. She effortlessly performs spins with just her feet for balance. The lightning-fast typing skills of this cashier would even stump hackers. There seems to be an invisible magic wall here. This astonishingly fast skiing speed deserves to break records. One of the tests for a street sweeper position. The sage on my team after I asked them 15 times for a heel. Becoming a professional racer is easy with just 2 hand carts. This guy glides smoothly with various moves on the water.
Imagine a modern production line, specifically designed to package fresh and attractive apples. The line is arranged intelligently and conveniently, from apple import to final packaging, creating a robust and efficient production process. The pomegranate sorting line is an important part of the pomegranate production process, helping to ensure the quality and uniformity of the final product. Not only does it help optimize the production process, but it also ensures product quality and uniformity and creates trust from consumers. Look at this persimmon production line. Are you interested? With its attractive appearance, bright yellow skin and cool crispy filling, crispy persimmon is one of the popular choices in the summer.